Hi everyone, my name is Evi Felarca and I am going to talk to you about Digestzen Blend today. You can use Digestzen for many different ways, including bloating, if you have constipation, stomach cramping, also diarrhea, food poisoning, heartburn, nausea, even if you have congested sinuses. To use Digestzen Blend, you can use it 3 different ways. I like to use this blend topically, especially if I have congested sinuses. I apply on the bridge of the nose, of the sinus cavities, on my forehead. If you don't like to have oils on your face, then you can apply on the bottom of your feet, the reflex points. For sinuses, it would be the bottom of your toes. You can also apply it for your stomach issues right on your abdomen area, around your belly button. And for other items or other places that you can apply, you can use the Digestzen along with fractionated coconut oil to help absorb it in your skin. The second way of using Digestzen Blend is you can take it internally. You could either put it in a veggie cap, up to 2 to 3 drops, and take internally, or you can drop 1 to 2 drops in your 8-ounce water and just drink it that way. The last way to use Digestzen Blend is aromatically. You can put it in your palm, one hand, and then breathe in, or diffuse it, and I use about 4 to 6 drops in my diffuser, and that'll last about 4 hours. So if you have any other questions about Digestzen Blend, please contact your upline leader or post any questions down below. Thank you.